Hi, I'm Benedict Dibora and I'm once here again to make a video for you on the items that you will need to build your pet evacuation kit or your pet bug-out bag. So I'm here to talk to you about shelter. Now, during disasters and when you're trying to evacuate from the area wherein the disaster has occurred, you have to make sure that your pet is safe and secure and that you will be in a place where there's proper shelter for yourself, your family, and your pets. Now, the things that you consider when making shelters is there's enough space for your pet to exercise and run around so that they won't be depressed or bored or anxious. Okay. Another thing to consider is that when you're evacuating, you might be going to your relative. So you have to make sure that the relatives that you will be staying with will not be allergic to your pet or won't be a hassle or an inconvenience for them. Okay. Now, here's an example of pet shelters that you can use. First is your pet crate or carrier. Now, for small dogs and cats, this is normally enough for you to use as a shelter. Just make sure that it's clean, and you can take your towel or bedding or blanket and put it inside the crate as bedding. Okay. Now, if you have a larger pet, such as a large dog, you can take your leash and put it or tie it to a place to make sure that their dog does not wander off, especially during the disaster. Okay. Then you can also have larger pet carriers like this with additional storage space. Now, the nice thing about a shelter like this or a pet carrier like this is you can take your other evacuation items or supplies and put it in the container. So that way, you only have to bring a minimal amount of excess baggage and the others can be here in the carrier. Okay? So if you don't have options like this, one way that you can also look for pet shelter is you can look for hotels that allow their guests to bring their pets with them. Just go online and research which hotels allow that, and if you can, book early before the disaster actually happens. Now, another option you can do is you can call your vet and ask if they are willing to board your pets until the disaster passes. You can do that. I will send you a link to the Makati Dog and Cat Hospital, which allows their clients to board their pets for a specific amount of time. Okay? So that's it. Thank you very much to Dr. Sixto Carlos and to the Makati Dog and Cat Hospital for letting me make this video for them.